Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your data is safe and the phone is ready. Back up to your Google account and photos and export any critical files. Once done, remove the SD card and unpair Bluetooth accessories. This avoids accidental data loss or repairing problems. Make sure the battery is above 50% or connect the charger. A reset that loses power can brick the device. Now open Settings and search for Reset to reach the next step. Because the option location varies by manufacturer, you will now perform the actual factory reset. Go to Settings, then System or Backup and Reset, and tap Factory Data Reset. Read listed accounts and apps. Android tells you what will be removed, then confirm. You may need your Google password to disable factory reset protection. If the phone is unresponsive, power it off and enter recovery mode. Hold Power plus Volume keys, then select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. After the wipe, use Reboot System Now. This completes the core reset process. You finish by rebooting and walking through the Android setup wizard. Sign into your Google account to restore contacts, apps, and settings automatically if backups exist. Once set up, reinsert the SD card and repair Bluetooth devices, and immediately check system updates to patch vulnerabilities. If you encounter activation loops or a locked device, make sure you use the original Google account credentials. Consider enabling OEM unlock for developer options first, or boot to recovery mode to repeat the wipe as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.